Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss Senior Chemistry IP most important VSAQs, SAQs and LAQs. So this is very important video. Don't miss this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. We'll start the video. Okay, students. See this Senior Chemistry IPE important questions 2025 and 26. Okay, all of you concentrate. The most important VSAQs first we'll discuss. Okay, the most important VSAQs. So what are the most important VSAQs? One by one we'll discuss. First topic we have here solid state. Okay, in a solid state we have very less number of questions are there. Very less number of questions are there. Mostly we can see here one by one we'll discuss what are Schottky defect. Schottky defect. Okay. Next one, what are Frenkel defect? And one more here, very important. This is can take a star question. That is, what are F centers? So many times asked this question in examinations. Okay. What are F centers? Clear, friend? Next question we'll go for here. Explain anti-ferromagnetism, and we have here ferrimagnetism, and also we have paramagnetism, also we have diamagnetic property, but mostly they are asking anti-ferri. Ferri and anti-ferri both are there. You can also see that question. Okay, this is important. What is this? Anti-ferri magnetism, right? With the suitable example. Don't forget this question. Clear, friend? Next one, how many lattice points are there in a one unit cell, face centered and tetragonal lattice cell? See, mostly they are asking sometime face centered, sometime body center, BCC, body center cubic crystal. So mostly they are asking here FCC and BCC. Don't forget. Sometime they are asking FCC, sometime they are asking BCC. So these also important. Okay, these three are important. Actually, we have a pattern of IP examination. Once check it out. What are the pattern of IP examination? All of you see this. Generally, in IP examination, they are going to ask you VSAQs are 10. So out of 10, 10 should be written. Each one carries 2 marks, totally 20 marks. Okay. And SAQs, you have here 6 SAQs we should write, but there are 8 SAQs are there. So 6 into 4, 24 marks. Okay. And 2 are option. Next LAQs are there, 3 LAQs. Out of this, we should write only 2. So 2 into 8, 16 marks. Totally we have here 60 marks question paper. Don't forget this one, this pattern. Okay. So in a LAQ, one choice is there, and also we have in a SAQ also we have 2 options. Remaining there is no choice. Okay, sure. Now come to this next topic. See this next topic is for you solutions. Next topic is we are selecting solution topic. Solution topic. In solution, we have here very less number of VSC code. Okay, in that which are most important and star questions also we'll discuss. First one is very important and star question. What are isotonic solutions? So many times asked this question. Give an example. Give an example. Clear? And this problem also asked so many times. See this, calculate mole fraction of sulfuric acid, and 98% of sulfuric acid is given. 98% of sulfuric acid is given by mass. Okay, you have the very important question this. And one more is very important star question is what is or define osmotic pressure. This is also so many times asked this question, right? And one more very important star question, what is a state Henry's law, right? This is also important. And last fifth question, that is not much important, but sometime that is also taken as a important question, but not much important. Clear, friend? These are here 4 important questions from the solutions. Next one we'll see from electrochemistry. From electrochemistry. See, from electrochemistry also we have here very less number of questions for VSAQs. In that most important question is this one, metallic corrosion. So many times asked this question, right? Next one more is very important question is in this. So standard hydrogen electrode is also very important. Clear, friends? One more important question is in this. So third question also star question. What is that? write the cell reaction taking place between Cu solid and slash Cu plus 2 aqueous, Ag plus and Ag solid. So this any one cell reaction will be given. We need to write here cell reaction. So such type of question is asked. And remaining, and the second question is not also important for this, but it is also very important, not much important, but sometime it is asked in a examination. That is the fuel cells. Fuel cells. Okay, so these are the important. Last one is not much important, that is galvanic cell or voltaic cell, that is not much important. Okay, these are the four important VSQs in the electrochemistry. Next one, chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics, all of you see this. Next question is, next topic is chemical kinetics. Clear? Yeah, in this very important star questions are here. Second one is star, and third one is also star question. Fourth one also star question, right? See here, previously we see now one electrochemistry, that is fuel cells. Here in chemical kinetics we can see that one here. What are fuel cells? Okay, that's what I given less important there. Here most important. Okay, these four are very important. First one, order of the reaction is also important, but not much important. Not much important. That's why don't concentrate on that most. But pseudo first order reaction very important. Okay, with a suitable example, and example of zero order very important. And after this problem is very important. So many times asked this problem. Okay, first order and fuel cells. These also important. These are the most important star questions in chemical kinetics. Clear, friend? Next one, metallurgy. Metallurgy. So in this metallurgy topic, general principle of metallurgy topic. Also, we have most important questions here. This is here star question. This is also star question. This is also star question. This is also star question, right? And last sixth one also star question. What is one by one? We'll discuss. First one, role of cryolite. Most important question is. And what is mate? This is also important. And see, this is so many times repeated question, composition of giving some alloys like brass, bronze, German silver, like this. Okay, gunmetal, bell metal also they are asking. So you can see this more examples also. Next one, what is blister copper? This is also so many times asked. Why it is so called? Okay. Last one is, see, what is terms? Gang, slag, right? This is a very important question, previously asked question from the metallurgy. Clear, friends? Any doubt in this? Yeah, go for next one. P block elements. From the P block elements, mostly totally we have here, see, fifth A group, and sixth A group, and also seventh A group, and eighth A group. So from the all 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, these are the total questions. So very less probability is there. That is, each group or two groups or three groups, a combination of four groups, they will ask mostly two questions, mostly one or two questions. Okay, don't expect more questions from this topic. In this, what are the most important star questions also we'll discuss. Okay, what are the most important star questions we'll see. First one, inert pair effect is a common question for all groups. Okay, that is. Next one, nitrogen, stability of nitrogen is also important. And fourth one also important. And fifth one also important, right? And seventh one also important. Eighth one common question, right? And 10th one most important question. This is so many type asked this question. And 11th also important. Remaining 18 group elements, this is also most important questions. Okay, double star we can do that. Clear, sir? Now you see what is inert pair effect. Next one, less important, ammonia is a good complexing agent. It comes in a transition elements. That's what we are giving less important here. Nitrogen molecule is highly stable. So many times asked because of triple bond, 945 kilojoules energy required. That is okay. And this is also when what happens when phosphorus is heated with the concentrated sodium hydroxide. Okay, concentrated sodium hydroxide uh, in that atmosphere, okay, of CO2. That is also important. Next, what is allotropy is a common question. Types of allotropy: phosphorus. Okay, nitrogen also there. Sometimes they are asking nitrogen, right? Don't forget. And oxygen also allotropes. oxygen and ozone. Okay, that is a common question. Next one, less important is, see, NH3 form hydrogen bond, PS3 does not. That is due to more electron. That is not much important question. Next, in modern mixture of helium and oxygen is used. Why? We know this answer. Okay, that is very important. Next one, based on the hydrogen bonding, H2O is a neutral while H2 is a acidic. Explain. So basically based on the trends of groups. Okay, hydrates of the 60A group element. Down the group acidic nature increases. Water is can donate lone pair of electron. That is a base. Okay, we know all these things. Next one, very important, tailing of mercury. Don't forget this. Very important question. What is tailing of mercury? So many times asked this question. How it will be removed? What happens when chlorine react with the slaked lime? Calcium hydroxide. Okay. Next one, a list of some uses of argon, neon, and also they are asking other zero group elements. Common question it is. Don't forget this is very important question. VSQs. Clear, student? That's it. Come to this next topic. D block and elements. Also complex compound. We can say coordinate covalent compounds. Complex compounds also called what? Coordinate covalent compounds. Okay. So in this topic, we have some important questions we'll discuss. Some important questions. Okay. Most important questions. So this is a triple star question. Right. Second one also triple star question. Third one also triple star question. Right. And you can see last sixth one also triple star. That's it. Okay. Four triple star questions are there. First one is, see, ambidentate ligand, which donate both elements in a compound. Both elements can be donate, right? For example, oxygen, nitrogen, both are combination. Nitrogen also donate, oxygen also. That is called ambidentate ligand. And one more, Zn plus 2 is a diamagnetic, whereas Mn plus 2 paramagnetic. Based on the transition properties of elements, we have here this property. That is also important. Next one, copper sulfate, hydrated copper sulfate, blue color, whereas anhydrous colorless. That is also very important question, right? Next, calculate spin-only magnetic momentum. This is not much important. Okay. Next one, aqueous Cu plus 2 ions are blue color. Same question. This is repeated actually. So that is here Zn plus 2. Okay. Similarly, Zn plus 2 is a color is because of diamagnetic property. Right. These are non-transition elements. This is transition elements. You know this one. That is important. Next one, what is a mixed metal? Give the composition. Very important. So many times asked this in examinations. Okay. Don't forget this. These are the important questions from the our D and F block elements. Clear, friend? Next, come to the organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, also very important questions are there, and triple star questions also there. You can see first one, ambidentate nucleophiles, same ambidentate ligand type. Okay. Next one, diatorization, enantiomers. So many times asked this question. What is wood fitting reaction? And also we have here some this one, sixth one also important, and tolerance reagent also important. See, carbon reaction, this is also so many times asked. This is decarbonization also. These are your triple star questions and single star questions and double star questions. Clear? First one, ambidentate ligands, like a nucleophile. A nucleophile act as a both. Okay, both elements are can involved in the reaction. Therefore, that is called ambidentate nucleophile. Next one, diatorization reaction, very important. In aniline, okay, amines reaction, nitrous oxide will put here diatization, right? Next, enantiomers. So many times asked this question. What are enantiomers? Give two example or one example. But Woods-Witting reaction, very important. Don't forget this alkyl halide question, right? Next one is explain following suitable examples. Say conversion of alkyl halide to ether, conversion of phenol to salicylic acid. This is not much important. Actually, it is asked again in SAQ. So we'll give less important in this VSAQ. And compare the acidic strength of acetic acid, chloroacetic acid, benzoic acid, and phenol. Right? Phenol. So like this here, some question will be asked. But this is lengthy question. Maybe they are making two parts. For example, acetic acid and chloroacetic acid, benzoic acid and phenol. Like this. Okay, they are asking like that. Okay, this is also important. Next, arrange the decreasing order of pKb values. Very important question. Okay, even in mains and MSET also this so many times asked for this question. Clear? Concentrate all of you here. aniline is given, right? And see this aniline containing one CH3 group on this, and here ethylamine is a trimethyl amide, triethyl amide. Like this, here some elements are some compounds are given. Based on that, we need to find the what are the pKb value. We know that secondary amides are more basic than tertiary than primary. That is, aqueous and gaseous phase. That is based on that the question will be asked. Clear? Next, we'll see tolerance reagent. Very important. Okay, aldehydes and ketones will get here tolerance reagent separation for aldehydes only given. Why? It's a reaction with the aldehydes. Why not with the ketones? That is the meaning here. Clear? Now, carbolamine test. Very important for aliphatic amine. Carbolamine test we have very very important. Methyl isocyanate, phenyl isocyanate test. We can see this discussion amines. Very important question. Decarboxylation. So many times we discussed in this question. Okay, in organic chemistry, mostly soda lime process. By using soda lime, isn't it? We undergo decarboxylation, right? That is a organic important questions. Okay, so see once again we can take screenshot clearly. These are most important VSQs from the organic previously asked questions. Clear? That's it. Next we'll see polymers. So in this polymers lesson, also we have here two VSQs. Two VSQs, very important topic this is. From this topic, two VSQs will be asked. Don't forget. That's why we have so many questions are there. So in this, most important, all are star questions. There is no without star, right? That is PHBV very important. So PDI, poly dispersity index, PDI. We call what? PDI. Poly dispersity index, very important. And biodegradable, very important, compulsory. Two VSQs. Okay, vulcanization of rubber also important. Thermoplastic thermo setting, both are there here. Thermo setting is given. Thermoplastic also we have one more example that is not there here. Okay, you can see that one also from the your notes, right? Next to some importance only I am giving, so similar to that one you can learn. Next one, some names of the structures of monomers of given polymers. This is they are making two parts. Maybe they are asking buna-S, buna-N, dacron and neoprene, like this, nylon 2 and nylon 6. Like this, they are making two parts. They are asking as a 2 marks question. 2 marks question. Don't forget this. Clear, friend? Next one, very important, very important question. Ziegler-Natta. So many times asked this question. Ziegler-Natta. Ziegler-Natta. Okay. So don't forget this. Ziegler-Natta is a very important question. Okay, so Ziegler-Natta. Yeah. See this Ziegler-Natta, very important question. Next we'll see. Next we'll go for this. Mention the structures of and names of the monomers preparing following the polymers. So bakelite, polystyrene, Teflon, polyvinyl chloride, PVC, nylon 66. Here also they are going to make it two parts. Two parts means one is a two. This two will be one question. This two will be one question. They are asking like this. Okay. Don't forget this is also important for us. Clear? Next we'll go for here. Similarly, we have here Giptal and Terlin. Okay, these are also there. What is the polymerization? Space is given and give an example. This is the extra question here. What is the polymerization? This is not much important, not required. Leave it. Next one is what is the addition polymerization? This is also not much important. And water fibers. This is important. Water fibers. Give an example. This is important. Okay, concentrate on this. Two questions will come in second year chemistry. Two VSQs. You can learn this topic. You will get 4 marks. Only VSQs. Clear? Take screenshot. Next we will go for here. Chemistry in everyday life. This is also very important lesson. This is also very important for here also. We will get here two VSQ students. Two VSQs will ask from this topic also. Don't forget. Mostly all are important. Okay. No single star question. All are double star questions. Therefore, all are important. Okay. First one, tincture of iodine, very important. Next one, difference between soap and synthetic detergent. This is also asked. Analgesic, narcotic and non-narcotic drugs, tranquilizers, antiseptic, food preservatives, antacids, and artificial sweetening agents, disinfectants, and anti-fertility drugs, antihistamines. These are repeatedly asked questions. Okay, so you have to practice all the questions. Compulsory 2 questions will come from this topic. Clear? That's it. Next we'll go for your biomolecules. Okay, actually biomolecules mostly they are concentrating only 4 marks questions. Sometimes they are asking VSQs, very rare. Okay, mostly they are asking 4 marks question, that is vitamins, hormones, like this they are concentrating. You see whatever VSQs are there in this, okay, in biomolecules, that is mostly asked question. Deuterium, what is the example? And essential non-essential amino acids, very important. Mostly they are asking only one part, what are essential, what are non-essential. So this is not a single it's a 2 marks question, it is 4 marks question. 2 parts will be 4 marks. Okay. Wow. Name the vitamin responsible for the coagulation, vitamin K, like this. They are asking anyone, not only this. Sometimes they are asking C vitamin, sometimes they are asking A vitamin, sometimes they are asking B12 vitamin, like this. Sometimes they are asking E vitamin. Any common question will ask based on this. So don't forget this. Clear? Next one, what are amino acids? Very important. Okay. And sometimes they are asking what are proteins also. See here, fibrous protein also, right? And one more is the miss here, denaturation of proteins. Denaturation of proteins. Don't forget that one. Denaturation of proteins. Okay, this is also important question. It is missed in this. Denaturation of protein. Don't forget. Example: milk is there. We lost. Milk is lost and convert into some other compound. We may not get back now. That is nothing but denaturation. Loss of naturality is called denaturation. Clear? Next one. That is here VSQs are completed. Okay, once you check it out, all VSQs are completed. All of you see this, check it out, all VSQs. Once I will show you. Yes, here onwards, solid state, solutions, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, general principle of metallurgy, P block elements, right, and D and F block elements, organic chemistry, polymers, and chemistry of life, biomolecules. Clear? All most important VSQs are completed. Now first one will go for here, solid state. Solid state, very important. Most important SAQs from the solid state. Very important. Bragg's equation. So many times asked this question. Okay. Very rare they are asking third question. That is P type and N type. Okay. This is also double star. Sometime just now we seen Schottky effect and Frenkel. They are asking 2 VSQs. They are combining as a 4 marks question. Clear friend? That's it. So this is also very easy compared to this one. N type and PF. Example this one. These two are example. Germanium with the indium, silicon with the boron. Okay. So that is here P type and N type semiconductors. See, previously I given anti-ferromagnetism with suitable examples, and what are epicenters? The combination of 2 VSQs they are asking, but very rare this question will ask. And one more, bond theory is there. Band theory. Difference between the conduction bond and semiconductor. Conductors and semi. What are semiconductors? What are conductors? Very less time this question is asked, but most important is Bragg's equation and N type and P type. So only 2 SAQs are there. Practice well. Clear? That's it. Come to this next one, solutions. Solution lesson we have here mostly 5 important SAQs are there. In this, first one is important. Second one also important, right? Third one also important, and remaining last one also important. That is most important question. relative lowering of vapor pressure, and they are asking one problem also based on this. Maybe they are connecting any one of the problem for this. Okay, for example, fourth one is a problem. They are connecting this. Clear? And see what is mole fraction. They are connecting one problem. And Raoult's law, they are connecting one problem like this. These are most important problem. Just you can practice this problem. Clear, student? That's it. This is your simply solution lesson. And solution, very important SAQs. Very important SAQs. Clear? That's it. Come to this surface chemistry. Next one, surface chemistry. See, in this also very important questions are there. So this first one and sixth one most important. So many times asked this question. Okay, different types. So the physical absorption and chemical absorption. Next, water catalysis and two types of catalysis. Each one example will be they are asking. Right. Next one, emulsions also important. Missiles also important. Collide. So these all questions are important. Mostly they are asking last question in so many examination and first question. Sometimes they are giving emulsions also, missiles also. Okay, and what is the dispersion phase and dispersion medium? Giving some compounds like milk, blood, cloud, like such type of means example they are asking what is dispersion phase or what is dispersion medium. That's a classification also they are asking, so don't forget this. Okay, so these are your important SAQs from the surface chemistry. Clear? That's it. Next we'll go for your metallurgy also we have here very important questions too. That is first one is purification, fourth protection process. Second one is difference between calcination and roasting. So many times asked these two questions. And previously they are asking extraction of zinc, and also they are asking extraction of uh, aluminum from the bauxite. That's it. So very rare question this one. Okay, what is this? Zone refining, electrolytic refining, pooling, vapor phase refining. These are here they are asking very less time. Clear, students? That's it. That is very important metallurgy SAQs. Clear? Next one, D and F block elements. D and F block elements. Okay, and complex compounds. Combination of these two lessons. Very important question is Werner's theory. So many times asked this question. And previously last year they are asking here IUPAC names. They are sometimes they are giving names. You should write the structures. Sometimes they are giving structures. We need to write the names. That's why this given here very important question. Clear, son? Don't forget this. And one more important is there here. What is that? You can see. So one more important question is there. That is the characteristic properties of uh, transition elements. But very rarely they are asking that. That is the first year question actually. Okay, that is first year question. Therefore, need not to worry about that question. So that is based on the they are asking only first year concept they are asking. Okay, John, this is the question is. So very rare they are asking. Clear? And one more is a lanthanide contraction. Lanthanide contraction question is missed here and their consequences. This is also important question. It is missed here. You can take that one. Okay. What is lanthanide contraction? What are the consequences of this? That is from a block elements. Okay, students. That's it. And one more, explain the terms. That is what is ligand, what is coordination number, coordination entity, all these things. So, but that is not much important. They are not asking such type of question. So one more here, one more important question is there. Isomerism. Isomerism. Actually, that is LAQ question. In isomerism, we have here hydrate isomerism, ligand isomerism, right? And we have here geometrical isomerism. That is here generally two types of isomerism, but they are asking mostly hydrate isomerism, ligand isomerism, and one more is uh, coordinate isomerism, right? Coordination isomerism. Such type of isomerism questions also they are asking as a 4 marks questions. Don't forget this one. Clear? This is important about D and F block elements. Next we'll go for a P block elements. we'll see P block elements. What type of questions will come from the P block elements? Okay, student. So in this P block element, also we have SAQs, but mostly all the P block elements, that is fifth group 2, and eighth A group, we have here very less number of SAQs are there. They are giving more important for LAQ, and sometimes they are asking one or two VSAQs from all the topics, and maybe one SAQ will be come from this topic. Clear? So what are those? Interhalogen compounds. Okay, that is from 7th A group elements, and 8th A group elements. This is very important. Xenon dioxide, difluoride, tetrafluoride, and hexafluoride, and their preparations and structures. And one more is oxides, xenon trioxide, xenon tetrafluoride, such type oxygen tetrafluoride, such type of questions also they are asking previously. They asked. Next, chlorine preparation by electrolytic method. This is not much important. Okay, this is important. How does SO2 react with the following? See, this is some important. And sometimes they are asking structure of SO2 and SO3. Right? Don't forget this. And sometimes they are asking interhalogen compounds. Interhalogen compounds are there. Sorry, oxy acids of chloride. Right? This is also sometimes they are asking a SAQ question. Clear, friends? That's it. Next, we'll go for here biomolecules. Biomolecule already there in a VSAQ. Sometimes they are asking in a SAQ also. That is, what are hormones? Give an example. And steroidal hormones, polypeptide hormones, amino acid derivatives. Mixing of these three. They are asking one SAQ. And this is very important. A vitamin, B vitamin, D and C, E, K vitamins. Okay. What are the vitamins and their diseases and deficiency? Compulsory question. Okay, student. Don't forget this. Next one, see just now I know denaturation. Suitable example like milk curd, milk converted curd, asked in SAQ. Next one, structure of glucose. Very less asked this question, and this is important. Importance of carbohydrates. Important of carbohydrates. Clear? That's it. Next one we'll see organic chemistry. Yeah, see that. First one is very important SAQ is SN1, SN2. They won't ask two combination of two. One is 4 marks, another is 4 marks. So any one will be asked. Okay, don't forget that. Explain the acidic nature of phenol. Very important. So many times asked this question. Right, compared with the alcohols. Next one, conversion of following reactions: ethane to bromoethane, toluene to benzyl alcohol. This is also conversion they are asking. Next, structures of some organic compound. This also is actually there in IUPS in first year, but in second year also recently they are asking. That is, see this: 1 bromo, 4 secondary butyl, 2 methyl benzene. So some complex mixing they are making and asking the IUPAC type question. 2 chloro, 1 phenyl butane, such type. So 4 tertiary butyl, 3 iodopentane, and para bromo chlorobenzene, like this. Okay, they are asking such type. Next one, see, where are some involving equation, the nitrous acid, ethylamine, and aniline. So such type of questions they are framing and they are asking. Mixing organic chemistry means mixing all the type of compounds, and they are framing a question. Okay, that is importance of this one. And not only this, sometimes they are asking from Sandmeyer reaction and Gattermann reaction, combination of this. Sometimes they are asking HVZ reaction and decarboxylation, mixing of these two, like this. They are asking such type of questions. And sometimes they are asking Woods reaction and fitting reaction. So combination of this, some named reaction they are fixing and asking as a SAQ questions. These are your important SAQs from this all the topics. Clear? Once you check it out again, whatever important questions we discussed just now. Clear, friend? All of you see this? See, first to last first we'll discuss. See, solid state. Clear? Solid state. Next we'll go for here. Most important questions: solid state, solutions, surface chemistry, metallurgy, D and F block elements, complex compound, that is. Next, P block elements, biomolecules, organic chemistry. Clear? These are your SAQs. Now most important LAQs, and we have here electrochemistry first. We'll discuss here electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. Both combination of these two. They will ask one LAQ. They will ask one LAQ here. Okay, what are the LAQs here? Actually, there is no such type of LAQs in this, but they are making combination of A and B. That is very important. They are combining A and B. See, this is 4 marks question. This is 4 marks. What is that? See, explain Kohlraasch law. Okay, and their applications also not there here. And give the Kohlraasch law applications. See, they are asking LAQ. Very, very important. Next, this is independently LAQ. That is only one LAQ. That is collision theory. Right? Biomolecular and trimolecular reactions. Example will be we need to write. Next one, what is electrolysis and Paradise laws of electrolysis? And one problem will be given. Most of the times this is a question. Okay, they are asking how much amount is there. That is 0.296 grams somewhat. We'll get the answer here. So this is common question. So many times asked for this question. Clear, friends? Don't forget this. Next one you can see. Fourth question. Here, what are galvanic cells? That is given as a working of galvanic cell. Sketch the diagram. Need diagram, we need Daniel cell or voltaic cell or galvanic cell. You can try anyone. Both are all are same. With the example. Clear? Next one. This is A. B. What is molecularity of the reaction? How different with the order and molecular? Biomolecular, trimolecular gases of reaction. So this is A and B combination. So many times asked this question. Standard question it is. Don't forget. Next one. Fifth question. See what rate of reaction and that is Arrhenius temperature. This is the effect of temperature on Arrhenius equation. You need to write the equation and the derivation also is there. So sometimes they ask this question, previous examination. And primary and secondary batteries. This is A, this is B. So combination. So not only this, we have more questions in this. That is she also there. Standard hydrogen electrode. They are asking. This is also as a AB combinations. And not only this, we have here half-life or first order and second order integrated equations. Integrated equations they are asking. Sometimes the combination of these two half-lives of first order and second order. Half-lives also they are asking. Okay, don't forget. This is also there in our syllabus. Clear? Not only this, we have here batteries, no? Primary battery, secondary battery. Sometimes they are asking what is the construction of secondary battery. Such type of questions also there in this topic. Don't forget, this is LAQ topic, right? Both are electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. Okay, student. Next, that is physical chemistry completed. Next, we'll go for here P block elements or inorganic chemistry. In this, very, very important questions are there for us. What are those most important questions here? See, ozone preparation, and they are asking any 4 combinations. This is independently this 4 marks question and their properties 4 marks question. Totally it is 8 marks question. Don't forget this. Okay. Sometimes they are asking C2H4. Sometimes they are asking C2H2. Don't confuse. Acetylene or ethylene. Anyone will be asked. Clear? That's it. Next one. Next one we'll see. Second question is ammonia vapor process and their properties or physical chemical properties. That is also independently 8 marks question. Next, nitric, same topic, 5th group. Last year is asked this question, nitric acid, okay, and their chemical properties. Don't forget this. Here's one. Next one. Chlorine, 7th year group elements. Chlorine preparation, laboratory preparation, decon method. Okay, so this is important and their chemical properties also important. Okay, so many chemical properties are there, but they won't ask all these things. Any 3 or 4 will be asked in an examination. Okay, last one you see that is your contact process, preparation of sulfuric acid. This is also asked in examination, very rare, but first one and second one, third one, fourth one, these are most important from the P block elements. Clear? Yes, right. We'll go for last but not least, organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. All of you see this organic chemistry. All of you see this organic chemistry. Yeah. In organic chemistry, we have here combination of SAQs. Mostly they are asking combination of SAQs, students. Combination of SAQs, explain the following with one example. That is Williamson synthesis, ether preparation, esterification in ester and carboxylic acids, and C, HVZ reaction. Okay. Next, aldol condensation. These are here asked as a LAQ. One more here. Second question, explain the following. This type of questions they are asking from the organic chemistry. See, Cannizzaro reaction, acetylation, coal-based electrolysis, coal-based. This is Grignard reaction, and here you missed that Cannizzaro is there and aldol condensation is there. So one question they are covered aldol, another question covered Cannizzaro. Sometimes they are asking crossed aldol also. Don't forget this. Sometimes they are asking crossed aldol. Crossed aldol also there. Okay, they will ask you crossed aldol sometimes. Don't forget. And coal base reaction, Grignard reaction. This is one combination. This is one more LAQ. And one more, see, third one, Sandway reaction. Previously, I informed you that. Gattermann reaction, Remer-Timmer reaction. This is crossed aldol is covered here. Like this here, they will ask you compulsory LAQ in this manner only. Therefore, you have to learn name reactions. All name reactions you can learn will get the LAQ from the organic chemistry. Means LAQs again. So from the first topic onwards, see that the most important LAQs from electrochemistry and chemical kinetics, electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. Okay. Next one, P block elements. P block elements. Clear. Next we'll go for organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. Clear. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And up to now I got here 400 plus subscription and 75,000 followers, that is views, and thank you for your support. Okay, I will make you one more video for JEE Mains and MSET, and now onwards I will concentrate 100% on JEE Mains. Okay, session 1 and session 2 followed by MSET. Okay, and also NEET. Thank you for your support. Please watch my video. Thank you, my dear students and friends. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel at the rate RJP25. Thank you very much.